Dear Sherry, good morning. I am happily devouring, pun intended, the information on making marijuana edibles from your online courses. All right. I've made a couple batches of Jolly Rancher gummies, and my question today is, do you have any information or an opinion on throwing in some high CBD strains with the THC strains in my infusion? Thanks. Well, this is an excellent question. And before I get to the answer, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And be sure to hit that like button too if you get value out of these videos. So the question is, could you throw in a high CBD strain with your THC strain when making an infusion? And the answer is yes. It's a great idea to mix different types of strains, and not just for THC and CBD, but also to dial in specific relief from different cannabinoids and terpenes and the like. So mixing strains is great for edibles and also when you smoke or vape. I call it mixing a salad. And you can really dial in specific flavors and little nuances in your cannabis. I once had a friend who owned a dispensary, so she had access to lots of different types of cannabis, and she was a master salad maker. And she had her own specific designer blends that worked well for her conditions, and she used to make them for her friends too because she was really dialed into what the different strains did, which is an art unto itself. But yes, you can definitely mix some CBD in if you want both THC and CBD. But one thing to keep in mind though is that if you want to feel a buzz or a high, CBD kind of cancels that out in THC. And that's a good thing to know if you ever get too high or you eat too high a dose of edibles. If you take some CBD, it will bring you down very quickly. So if you're not going for a buzz and you just want the medicinal effects of both THC and CBD, which do work better together than separately, then this is a great thing to do. But if you're going for more of a buzz, you're going to want to keep that CBD to a minimum. But mixing salads is great. Have fun with it. It can really be a lot of fun and also be very therapeutic. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.